Hi guys, so we're just at the Kite Beach here in Jumeirah area of Dubai. So as you can see, this is a really beautiful place. If you just want to have a quick stroll in the night, it's really pleasant. The beach is really clean and full of white sand, and there's lots of fun activities to do. So this is around 9 p.m. in the night, and as you can see, it's not very crowded. There is still a lot of lights, and there is a really good visibility of the entire beachfront. So we're just going to go towards the actual activity area. We're just walking in the opposite direction of the beachfront now. So we're now just moving on to the actual jogging and walking track, which is again very long. It's great for a night jog or for a quick stroll of the night. So as you can see here, this is the actual beachfront that's visible to us. You can see the waves that are still crashing it. It is a high tide time at the moment, and there you have it. That's basically the 360-degree view of the Kite Beach in the night. So we're just moving on to the actual main jogging and walking track. You can see that on the left we have lots and lots of food courts. Some really nice music playing in the background, and as you can see, um, it's a friendly local folks just enjoying their beach time. It's really windy this time of the year, and it's really pleasant. It's absolutely divine to be here at the beach in the night, just enjoying the cool weather. So just beside the food courts, there is a market over here with toys and all sorts of things. And now we're at the kids activity area. As you can see here, there's lots of small rides for kids to play at. So you can see here all the kids are just having some fun time. And here's the view of the market with some toy shops and all sorts of things to buy. And you can see here we have the trampoline. Yeah, just some kids having fun with those rides. Now we're now moving towards the beach volleyball area, and as you can see here, there's around 3 to 4 active volleyball courts, and you can see here there's a mix of locals as well as residents just having some fun with volleyball. So now we have literally walked to a almost a 200 meters deck that they have built right into the middle of the sea. So you can see here, I'm now facing towards the actual activity area, and this is a 360-degree view of the actual sea. So you can hear the sound of the waves crashing to the deck. Apologies for the lack of light at this time of the night, but you can see here the Burj Al Arab, the famous hotel, is actually visible from here as well. And you can see all the lights on the activity, a very well lit activity area um, on the Kite Beach here. So you can see here we're literally experiencing the sound and the feeling of waves. Yeah, so we're now going back to the actual play area, the activity area, and we're now leaving the beachfront. So again, just a view of the entire beachfront, and you can see here there's still a lot of activity that's going on here, even though it's around 9-ish p.m. in the night. It's very lively, it's vibrant. Um, There's still obviously some people enjoying their food here in the food court. There's lots of options, I believe. And yeah, we're just moving towards the exit now. There are multiple exits and multiple entries to this beachfront, leading to a different side of the actual beach. I'm just going to also show you the other entry and exit, which takes you to a slightly different part of the beach. But you can see here, there's lots of uh, activity going on here with food, and there's music. I'm sure you can hear that in the background. Now we've moved towards the other side of the beach, and you can see here it's not as well lit as the main Kite Beach, but there's some activity here. There's Philly here, which is like a famous tea outlet. That's all, folks, for tonight. I hope you enjoyed the video.